Okay, so in this video I'm going to be talking about the Shopify affiliate program and essentially just going through the basics. Now, it is kind of scarce to look at it online. There's not really too much information about it until you actually decide to sign up for it. Now, I'm sure as you know, unless you're new to Shopify, there is a 14-day free trial. Everyone gets the opportunity to go for a 14-day free trial. You don't have to put your credit card in, you don't have to put anything in for the 14-day free trial, but you are very limited to what you can do. Now, what I have seen a lot of YouTubers doing, and I will be doing this in the future, they've hit up Shopify essentially. They've signed up for the affiliate program, and they've got themselves into the situation where Shopify have given them a link, and you can press on the link if you are, a viewer. It's usually in the description, and it will take you to the 14-day free trial. It's completely the same for you as if you just Googled it. But if you sign up and then you do end up paying money, you do actually you give a percentage, which can be up to 12%. Of your of whatever you pay. It could be one of the three plans. You give a percentage of that to the person whose link to the YouTuber essentially, whose link it was that you pressed. So we've seen a lot of YouTubers have just built it up. As their channel has grown and stuff like that, it's just completely built up. They've got tons and tons of affiliates, and if they wasn't doing Shopify themselves, they could just make money. They could just leave that. That's their passive income. They could just basically retire on that. Well, if you like. But yeah, essentially, I'm going to go through this website here with power your audience. And the commissions thing here, you can pretty much. I'll leave a link in the description to this. So yeah, you can earn an average of $58 per user. So essentially, what that means is, I guess Shopify have calculated it, and the average person who signs up for this makes $58, and $2,000 for each plus referral. Now, yeah, as you said, to maximise your earnings, each referral will be nurtured to help them transition from trial to paid plan. Now, you don't actually technically get any money or any capital, whatever, for them pressing on the link. It's the same with Amazon affiliates and stuff like that. They actually have to buy things, they have to spend money, otherwise it just doesn't make sense for either party, really. I mean, think about it. Shopify 14-day free trial is free. You're not spending anything, so yeah. But after that 14-day free trial, if it can be up to $300, or it can just be $30. Usually people just go with the $30 if they are new to Shopify, but if they're going, oh, we'll go for the $300 one. There is also a middle one, which I actually can't remember because I don't use it, but yeah. And yeah, I believe it can go to 12%. I'm not too sure what the rules are that you have to be in to have it well, basically maximize your percentages, I guess. So yeah, that's essentially the gist of affiliates on Shopify. I'm going to be doing a lot of affiliate marketing videos, and I'm going to help people out because I am kind of new to it myself as well. So we'll be going through that on this channel. So yeah, essentially, if you enjoy the video, leave a like. I've made two playlists so far. I haven't actually loaded any videos, but I've made two playlists. I've got the Shopify one and the affiliate marketing one, and I do plan on filling them up with videos in the future. And I plan on uploading daily, essentially. So yeah, appreciate watching the video. See you later.